afternoon, everybody. Today is Wednesday, the 10th of September, and if you recall back to yesterday's free video, I was looking to get long Priceline, PCLN, and what we ended up doing here was we bought, right? We bought the October, okay, the October 1175, so definitely in the money. Bought the October 1175 call option for $40. All right, we bought it right down in here yesterday on the sell-off there. Remember, we're back to the 200 exponential moving average. We're retesting these lows, right? And I just feel we're at a place where we should bounce. We'll see. I mean, again, we are out to October, so we've got a month and a half. And I'm anticipating this to rally back up and try to at least retest the 1211. Okay, so again, this morning we opened up. We actually took out Tuesday's low of 1173, went to 1172.93, took it out marginally, and we've traded up ever since. Let's take a look quickly at a 3-minute chart and take a look at the intraday activity on Priceline. And this is where you have it right here. This is where the market opened. This was the prior day's low. Okay, this was the prior day's low. This was yesterday's low. Came down, had a lot of volatility there the first 9 minutes, and often what you'll see in the first 9 minutes of trading in stocks, you're going to see the price bar is quite large, right? So the market came down, barely penetrated down through Tuesday's low here, and then came up, started to settle down, and then we broke up, and we've pretty much been going sideways, but we did, staged, a little rally here. So those options, let's put this back on a daily chart. Those options are now worth about $41.15. So again, a pure directional play in the options. And again, even though, I mean, look at the bars have turned from green, which denotes an uptrend based on everything I do. And obviously red denotes a change of trend short term from up to down. So we did change to down here. But again, I think we're at a critical level. The market's back into the 200, and this should act as some type of support. So my initial stop's what, 1157, right? So when I see the stock trade down through 1157, which is roughly 1 ATR below yesterday's low, I'm going to watch the market very carefully tomorrow. If the market is able to penetrate up through today's high of 1189.5 on the stock, okay, if we just test it or even take it out by a penny or so, I will move that stop up to below the low at 1172.93. So what I'm saying here is if the market is able to take out the high of 1189.5, then I will use the low here as a stop out. So that's just my trigger, right? So if the stock is able to take out that low, then I would just exit the call option altogether. And I'm looking for a run to the upside, okay? So I'll keep you abreast on what's going on there. Hope that helps. Let's see if we make a little money here. Bye.